So yeah. Finally we made it. Finally we made it to the beach. As many of you know, a few Mondays ago, or probably about 2 months ago, we went to the beach. Yep, we were at the Harmony Beach Park when it started lightning and we had to cut it. And so today we got a chance to come to the beach with family. Yes, a well-needed time that we needed as a family as we mourn and settle with the reality of what happened and the loss of our father. And so yes, we are thankful that we're able to come and spend this time together. So yes, it's a Monday. It's a Monday. I'm going on Tuesday as the sun is about to set. But yes, God is good. God is faithful. Thank you so much to all of you who supported us through prayer, through all the support you've given us, encouragement, the condolences you shared. We are so grateful. Keep praying for us. And yes, we know that one day, death will die. And I look forward to the funeral of death. Yes, death is the last enemy that will die, because death will die after Satan and his demons, because they will die. Yeah, they will face death, and then death, the enemy itself, will die. And so get some time. I know you have a few more days, teachers, students, before school opens here in Jamaica. Get some time to go to the beach and unwind. Yes, get wet from head to toe. Get wet from head to toe. So we leave you right here as we look forward to a grander September as we close out this month, this bittersweet month of August. Yes, it's a sweet month. It's our anniversary to start the month, and somewhere in the middle something happened, but we are closing out the month on a high note because we know that Jesus is the winner man. Jesus is the winner man. All right, it's time to go. God bless you and keep you, family. We love you. Walk good.